How to fix Instagram login error. Getting the incorrect password error on Instagram, here's how to fix it step by step. So first, go ahead and open up Instagram, and then on the sign in page, tap forgot password. Enter your username, email, or phone number and reset your password using the link or code sent to you. Another thing you can do is to check your security emails. So check your email for Instagram security alerts. These often include links to reverse unauthorized changes. Third, recover hack accounts. If your account was hacked, tap need more help and select my account was hacked. And Instagram may ask for identity verification like a selfie video. If your account was disabled, submit an appeal through the Help Center and you may need to upload a government issued ID for verification. Once you're back in, enable two-factor verification. This adds an extra layer of security and prevents future login errors.